Hello friends, my name is Stephen and I am working as a perfusionist since last 13 years. Today I am going to share with you how to do low cost hemofiltration during cardiopulmonary bypass. Required material to prepare this circuit: 14316 connector with tube, dialysis hemofilter and 1/4 size free tubing and suction machine. Now I am explaining this circuit, where I have connected dialyzer hemofilter inlet to recirculation line and outlet to reservoir and fixed on the oxygenator stand for the stability. And this is hemofiltration circuit, where I have connected 3/8 size tube to filtration port and 1/4 size tubing inserted in 3/8 tubing and connected to the suction machine for the vacuum effect and kept suction on minimum pressure for the safety purpose. This idea is very beneficial for the patient and also cost effective. Approximately total cost will come per every patient less than 800 rupees. Kindly let me know your comments in comment box.